As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So, I'm looking at two propane grills here, the Master Cook one and the Royal Gourmet Griddle. Both have 3 burners, interestingly enough.
Yeah, but they seem pretty different. The Master Cook Grill is a more traditional barbecue grill, right, with grates and everything.
Exactly. It's got porcelain enameled wire cooking grates with a 472 square inch cooking area, and those foldable side shelves are a nice touch.
The Royal Gourmet, on the other hand, is a flat-top griddle, only 316 square inches, so smaller, but still 3 burners. Perfect for pancakes or smash burgers.
True. The Master Cook puts out 30,000 BTUs, while the Royal Gourmet does 25,500 BTU, so a bit more oomph for the Master Cook.
But the Royal Gourmet is all about portability. It's a tabletop model, lighter at only 30 pounds. The Master Cook is a full-sized cart grill, weighing almost 47 pounds.
Good point. Taking the Royal Gourmet tailgating would be way easier. I see the Master Cook has wheels, though, for moving around the patio.
Both have piezo ignition, that's good, and stainless steel burners, so they should last.
Price-wise, the Royal Gourmet is cheaper, around $99. The Master Cook is about $199. Big difference.
Yeah, that's a factor. And the Royal Gourmet comes with a cover, which is nice.
The Master Cook has a built-in thermometer, which is super handy for roasting. The Royal Gourmet doesn't seem to have one.
True, but for griddling, you don't really need thermometer, do you? It's more about even heat across the surface.
Good call. I guess it really depends on what you're planning to cook. Burgers and steaks? Master Cook. Breakfast and stir-fry? Royal Gourmet.
Exactly. Or if you need something you can easily move around, the Royal Gourmet wins hands down. It really seems like it boils down to portability versus traditional grilling and that extra bit of cooking space.
And that price difference makes it tough to ignore. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.